With the improvement of the flood situation in Noakhali, Kumilla and Chatpur district, the scenario of flood damage is emerging. However, the flood situation in Lokhipur remains unchanged. Water is receding slowly in Lokhipur, which has been flooded for more than 2 weeks. More than 5 lakh people in Lokhipur are still living in stranded state. Fresh water and food crisis is also there. Most areas of Lokhipur Shodor, Ramganj and Kamalnagar upazilas are under several feet water. According to the District Agriculture Department, the total agricultural loss is about Taka 292 crore. In Chatpur, at least 50,000 people are still suffering in Shahrasti upazila. Various waterborne diseases have arisen due to the use of contaminated water. Most of them are suffering from diarrhea, dysentery, abdominal pain, fever and skin diseases. In addition, in Noakhali's Shenbag, Sonaimuri, Chatkhil, Begumganj, Shodor areas, some people are still in shelter centers.